welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, this wig is from Curlyme hair. They sent me a 13x4 kinky curly undetectable Swiss lace frontal wig. It is gorgeous. Do you see these curls? Like, they are so stunning. The length is a 26-inch, so when it's stretched, it's super long. If you want your hair to retain some length, I would definitely go in and diffuse and just pull as I diffuse so it could keep that length. But I don't mind it being like this or even shorter. I don't even care for the length, girl. The curls are everything. So if you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. But let me stop rambling and let me just show you guys how I installed this wig, because it is 100% glueless. Okay, no glue used, and it's perfect for the summertime. So let's get into the tutorial. So I went in and I used the band that I showed you guys to, you know, make sure that this wig is 100% glueless, and that it is. You could literally wear it like how you want to, make your part, and no baby hairs. But I'm gonna do baby hairs. So let me just go ahead and just do some sort of part, and then I'll work in some baby hairs. So I don't know if that transition sucked, but if it didn't, then I did that. But this is the hair. I don't know if I want to diffuse it right now because I'm going for the wet look, and it's definitely giving gorgeous, luscious wet curls. So this wig is from Curlyme hair. They sent me their 13x4 Kinky Curly Undetectable Swiss lace frontal wig. It is gorgeous. Okay, she is a 26-inch Kinky Curly wig. When it comes onto Kinky Curly hair, you want to make sure this hair is super hydrated so you get like the best of the curl, and I feel like that's what I'm getting. You could definitely go in with one of these brushes, but this brush, girl, this brush clumps the curls together. It doesn't make them as tight. If you want your curls to be super tight, definitely use a Denman brush, but use a regular wig brush if you just want these curls to just clump together and just create something gorgeous. So before I go, let me just touch on this lace real quick. The Swiss lace is literally one of the best laces out there. Their lace is literally one of the thinnest laces out there. So as you can see, I had put some foundation up here, but down here there's nothing. And look at the whole stretch of this lace. If your lace can stretch and bend and do all sorts of shapes, then you got some good lace. Like, you feel that elasticity in the lace. This is such a good thin lace, and you know it's thin because like this lace right here starts to curl up. You know how when you work with lace, if you know, you know, if it's really thin, then when you pull it, the lace curls back. This is some good quality lace that they have. So if you're looking to make an investment on something super affordable, then this wig is definitely for you. It was pre-plucked, and this wig just came so perfectly made. I would not change anything about it. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous wig, the links will be in the description box to do so. Thank you so much, Curlyme, for sending me this amazing wig, and I was so happy to share with you guys just like how I feel about this hair. And yeah, so if you'd like to purchase, again, the links will be in the description box. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one.